So we got our brake lever. And we have a black guard on it. So all you have to do with that is peel that back and grab a socket and an adjustable wrench. Let's go get it. It looks like yep, it is a 10 millimeter socket. And then we have our adjustable wrench. So we just got our lever off. None of the stuff that we've been buying is for a KX112. It all says either KX100 or KX85. So we're basically really experimenting in this. We want to get our lever through the perch and have it so you can see right straight through it. And then you want the...
Are all perches the same?
All perches are not the same. The lever's made for your bike. Then you get this snazzy new guard. Flo provides another collared bolt, so you do not use the factory bolt from the factory. So you just want it like that. Stick it right through. And grab your socket wrench. You also might want to use your hand first just to get it going. After you get that through, you want to put the washer on. Right through there. And then after you get the washer on, you're just gonna tighten that with your hand first. Then you're gonna get the socket out. Not too tight, but tight enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have your brake lever installed. So, for this one, you don't have a custom guard for the flow lever. And same thing, 10 for the socket wrench. You want to put it on loosen. You gotta loosen it. We have the bolt and the nut. The bottom of the bolt is threaded. So when you take this off and, oh, what do I do with this?
What's that? What's it hooked to?
Clutch cable.
Yep. Very easy. So the cable just goes in that thing. So you just go like this, and the cable's just hooked in there with that little ball. It's like a little knob. Very easy.
And you will see this little hook right there. That's for the clutch cable. You hook that in here. And then through there. Super easy process. So this uses the factory bolt. It does not come with custom bolt. So what this flow lever can do is go up like that and go down like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
So you can see it's very close, but not perfect. There's a gap right there, which I don't think matters too much, although this needs to be adjusted. Quite a bit of play. I'm not sure if that's how that's supposed to be. It functions properly. It works good. But that gap, which I don't think that has anything to do with the wiggling. It did not come with a new bolt.
Alright guys, it was a little wobbly, so we just stuck a washer in there, and it looks to be less wobbly, and it doesn't match the factory perch, which is kind of concerning, but we're gonna still test it out and see how it rides. Let me tell you some of the features on this clutch lever and brake lever. So this black dial on the flow lever, it's a way for you to adjust how far away the lever is from the grip. And same with the brake lever. And we use this to adjust the cable's tightness. And this bigger piece makes it locks it in. And then the smaller piece decides on how close you want it. Not close.
How tight you want that cable. And it's nice to have a little bit of play in there. You don't want that wicked, you don't want the lever super, super tight. You want there to be a little bit of play.
Okay.
This little guy adjusts the cable tension. And then once you get that set, you tighten that up against the perch and that locks it into place.
Yeah.
Little bit of play there. We don't love how the perch doesn't perfectly match the lever, but it should work still great. I mean, we had levers like these on our old bike. So the brake looks awesome. Obviously, it'd be great if everything was black, but baby steps. There's your dial to adjust how far away the lever is from the grip. And that's something that you do while you're riding it. You just have to get out there and test everything after you install this, which we can't do now with all the snow and nastiness on the lawn. But what do you think, Doss?
Super psyched. It's good for when I dump it, which I know where is going to happen this season.
So this lever was super wobbly in the perch, so we just put this little tiny washer in there, and it seemed to tighten things up a little bit. It's got a little bit of wobble still, but not like before. Before it was pretty bad. And then this rubber guard just goes back over that. You talking crap about me, Doss?
No. I'm talking yours.
What do you think?
Super psyched. Excited for the next season.
What's next, Doss? What are we doing now?
We are doing the Pro Circuit Shorty exhaust. Super excited. Can't wait. And we got a special guest today.
Roy Styles from the Ravex Moto.
Ooh, Roy Styles from the Ravex Moto team. That bike sure is purty.